Just unbelievable.
Now he won't lose a lap too. He's going to make it out cleanly before the first car. Oh boy!
Unbelievable.
Easy,
That's
fellas.
The LG Motorsports Corvette in the number 46 Flying Lizards Porsche. Boy, that car has had two tough starts to the season. The 46 Porsche at Sebring was punted early by one of the Audis and dropped well off Johannes von Overbeek.
And it looks like he can't engage reverse gear. This is a sequential gearbox in these cars, meaning it's like a motorcycle. Oh, look at this! Lucas Luhr taking the battle of the Penske Porsche. Spectacular move.
Tried the outside into 7, but that was a great move by Dumas, protecting the inside. Going to give him the outside because that's
look
a tough
flag. Look at the flag on the left. This is where the wreck is. There's the Corvette. They have to get around him. Cleanly by.
All right, have gone through. That's the good news. I think that's Lou Gigliotti behind the wheel of the Corvette at this stage of the race. But meanwhile, Dumas finds himself. Oh, we've got traffic as well. That, I believe, is the Panos.
No, I think that's the Porsche directly ahead. That's the
right.
Flying Lizard Porsche. They're coming up to go by. Okay, now here, watch in the background. Let's see. Look at the Porsche going to try and sneak by at the same time. Not a prayer.
Never, yeah.
No.
Lou was never going to see him. He let that one car through, didn't he?
Porsche's fault all the way. He was not far enough alongside. Look at this. The Corvette's going to start turning in. There's the contact.
Yeah. Optimistic.
Yeah. I got some stocks to sell them, too.
All right.
Boy, turn around. There's no damage to the car.